This commendation letter was given by IIC Systems Private Limited. This is to certify that Chemuturi Consultants is assisting our organization from March 2002 for implementing the steps involved in getting the organization ready for applying for CMM Level 4 assessment. Till now, with their help and guidance, we have completed the following: preparation of process for all departments and activities, implementation of various procedures, guidelines, templates and formats, and reviewing the achievements of each department, initiating and conducting internal audit of CMM processes and systems for each department. This assignment will continue until the organization achieves the CMM Level 4 assessment. We wish to put on record that we are happy with the assistance rendered by Chemuturi Consultants and that our organization benefited through their association. Signed, V.N. Chowdhury, Managing Director. This commendation letter was given by Frontier Information Technologies Limited, given to Messrs. Chemuturi Consultants. Dear Sir, this has reference to your services rendered to our organization, namely training programs on software development effort estimation and software testing, and the follow-up assignments on auditing our testing practice, process and effort estimation in our organization. These training programs were very well received and added value to our human resources. The assignment also helped us improve our process. Our appreciation may be conveyed to your team members. Thanking you. Yours truly, P. Chakradhar Rao, Vice President, Quality Assurance and Technical Services. This commendation letter was given by SDG Software Technologies Private Limited to Chemuturi Consultants. Dear Sirs, this has reference to your services rendered to our organization, namely training programs on software project management to our software developers. We wish to put on record that the training program was received very well and added value to our developers, besides resulting in valuable improvement to our project management process. Our appreciation may be conveyed to the concerned. For SDG Software Technologies, Suhaim Shaikh, Managing Director. This is a letter given by Andhra Pradesh State Electricity Board from Director Training, Vidyut Saudha, Hyderabad. Reference, Sir, APSCB-CTC- conducting training programs on OLSD and DC and NW at Computer Training Center, Vidyut Saudha, recording. This has reference to the above training programs conducted by you for our staff from 12 August 91 to 17th August 1991 and 9th September 1991 to 13th September 1991 at our premises. I am glad to inform you that these training programs were well received by our participants. The faculty team of Messrs. C. Murali Krishna, N.S. Subramanian, N.S. Murthy, A. Srinivasulu, V. S. Vavilala and P. R. Rao have put in sincere efforts and were well liked by the participants. Our appreciation may be conveyed to them. Signed, K. Sesha Rao, Director, Training, APSCB. This commendation was given by Aravind Rasayana Udyog Limited, dated 3rd April 1995, to the address to the Resident Manager, Tata Consultancy Services at Secunderabad. Dear Sir, our public issue. We would like to place on record our appreciation for the excellent work done by your executives under the leadership of Mr. C. Murali Krishna is being able to complete the issue activities in time. Please convey our best wishes to all the members of your public issue team, and we look forward to a long and mutually beneficial association. Thanking you, yours faithfully, for Aravind Rasayana Udyog Limited, M. Aravind Kumar. This commendation letter was given by Combat Drugs Limited, addressed to the resident manager. Dear Sir, this has reference to our recently completed public issue which was handled by you as registrars. I am happy to place on record that we received courteous and professional service meeting all statutory requirements from your executives, Mr. Murali Krishna and his team. Our appreciation may be conveyed to them. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Suchit Mohan Lal, Managing Director. This commendation letter was given by Everest Cement Limited. This was addressed to President of Tata Consultancy Services, Mr. Y.P. Sahani. Dear Sir, you are aware that your Hyderabad office has acted as registrars to our public issue. As we wish to maintain the secretarial department in-house, we have taken over the manual record recently. Even though we have faced very difficult situations in attending to the post-issue jobs, with the excellent cooperation extended by your Hyderabad branch, we could take effective steps for clearing the investors' grievances. Today we are happy to place on record our appreciation of the good work done by your Hyderabad branch in solving the post-issue complaints. We wish the above team all success in their future endeavors. Our appreciation may be conveyed to all concerned. Signed by A.N. Sharma, Group Secretary. This commendation letter was given by Everest Organics Limited, addressed to the resident manager. Dear Sir, we would like to place on record the services rendered by Mr. C. Murali Krishna and his team in our public issue, which was slated during the January 1995. All the registrar works assigned to Messrs. Tata Consultancy Services have been accomplished well within the time. We have full satisfaction. We are fully satisfied with their coordination and cooperation. We request you to convey our appreciation to Mr. C. Murali Krishna and his team. For Everest Organics Limited, M. Sambasiva Rao, Finance Manager and Company Secretary. This commendation letter was given by Goldcrest Securities Limited. Dear Sir, this has reference to our public issue which you handled as registrars. I am happy to put on record my sincere appreciation of the good work rendered by you and your team, which was courteous, efficient, and lives up to the name of Tatas. Above all, I like your cooperative attitude and enthusiasm. I wish you and your team all the best. For Goldcrest Securities, DSP Reddy, Director. This commendation letter was given by Gujarat Grahak Suraksha Kendra for Consumer Protection. This was addressed to C. Murali Krishna. Dear Sir, we the family of Gujarat Grahak Suraksha Kendra, Naroda at Ahmedabad heartily wish you and your family a very happy New Year and pray to God Almighty to shower His blessings for peace, prosperity and happiness throughout the year and in later years also. We are thankful to you for extending possible support in solving various issues pending with your company positively, and we hope the same degree of cooperation will be extended in the coming years also. A healthy relation has now been established with you beyond professional point of view, and thus your company has contributed in social liability for the welfare of consumers also, for which we ever remain grateful to you and your company, thanking you and assuring you of our best cooperation all the time. Yours faithfully, J.A. Mehta, President. This commendation letter was given by Jeswal Granites, addressed to C. Murali Krishna. Dear Sir, our public issue cum rights issue regarding. We wish to place on record our sincere appreciation of the good work yourself and your team rendered for our recently completed public cum rights issue. You had been cooperative, courteous, thorough, and fulfilled all our requirements and expectations. We wish you all the best in all your future endeavors. For Jeswal Granites Limited, A.K. Jeswal, Managing Director. This commendation letter was given by Jyoti Cellulose Limited, JCL Limited. This was sent to the President Tata Consultancy. Dear Sir, this has reference to our public issue which was handled by your Hyderabad branch. We are extremely happy with the courteous, friendly and efficient professional services rendered by your team of executives led by your Sri C. Murali Krishna. They lived up to and surpassed the fair name of Tatas. Our appreciation may be conveyed to them. Thanking you. For JCL Limited, D.A. Chowdhury, Managing Director. This commendation letter was given by Kitty Steels Limited. Dear Sir, this has reference to our recently completed public issue for which you are the registrars. We are happy to note that we received professional service and your executives, Mr. C. Murali Krishna and his team, exerted themselves to complete all activities in time in spite of massive response. Our appreciation may be conveyed to them. Thanking you. For Kitty Steels Limited, VP Anand, Director Finance. This commendation letter was given by KLJ Plastics Limited. This is to certify that Tata Consultancy Services has acted as registrars to the public issue, and we are very much satisfied with the prompt collection figure reporting done by them. For KLJ Plastics, PK Kankani, Finance Controller. This commendation letter was given by Nagarjuna Finance Limited, addressed to C. Murali Krishna. Dear Sir, Indo-Dutch Proteins Limited, we would like to place on record our appreciation for the excellent work done by your team under your leadership in being able to complete the basis of allotment on time. Please convey our best wishes to all members of your team, and we look forward to a long and mutually beneficial association. Thanking you. G. Ramachandran, Investment Banking Division. This commendation letter was given by National Mineral Development Corporation Limited at Bacheli, sent to Resident Manager. Dear Sir, this is to express our satisfaction and appreciation of the good work rendered by Mr. Murali Krishna in conducting the computer training program here from 7th April 1992 to 21st April 1992. Our appreciation may be conveyed to him. Signed, V.K. Jain, Chief Manager, Training and Services. This commendation letter was given by National Mineral Development Corporation at Kirandal, sent to Mr. N.V. Krishna. Dear Mr. Krishna, this has the reference to the training program on World Star and Lotus 123 conducted by our organization for our staff at BIOP 14 from 16th November 1990 to 1st December 1990. The training program has been well received by the participants. The participants are now confident of using personal computers in their daily routine. The faculty, namely Mr. C. Murali Krishna and Mr. K.V. Mallikarjun, have put in sincere efforts and are well liked by the participants. Our appreciation may be conveyed to them. We look forward to continued association. Signed, S.N. Singh, Chief Mining Engineer, T&S. This commendation letter was given by Nizam Sugar Factory Limited by Mr. C.H.V. Subbarao, Data Processing Manager, addressed to N.V. Krishna. Dear Mr. Krishna, subject Training Program on Computer Awareness and PC Applications. As you are aware, your organization has conducted the above mentioned training program for our senior management personnel at our office from 8th June 1990 to 10th June 1990. I am glad to inform you that all the participants have received the program very well and felt that it has been very useful. I also have to mention that the faculty team of Messrs. C. Murali Krishna, L. Patro and V.S. Vavilala have done a good job and were well liked by the participants. Therefore, I extend my hearty congratulations to you. Our appreciation may be conveyed to all concerned. Thanking you. For Nizam Sugar Factory Limited, C.H.V. Subbarao, Data Processing Manager. This commendation letter was given by Starchick Specialities Limited, addressed to C. Murali Krishna. Dear Sir, I shall express my sincere gratitude to you and your team for the excellent and efficient service rendered as registrars to our public issue. Reporting of collection figures has been earlier than expected. All in all, your service has been extremely courteous, exemplary, and lives up to the name of Tatas. Wishing the best to every one of you. D. Krishna Rao, Company Secretary. This commendation letter was given by Transport Corporation of India Limited, addressed to the Resident Manager. Dear Sir, we refer to the courses on Unix and C conducted by you for our personnel during April-May 1990. The participants were appreciative of the program in terms of its contents, methodology used, and benefits. We look forward to continuing our association on similar endeavors in future. Thanking you, yours sincerely, A. Venkateswaran, Assistant Vice President, Corporate Planning. This is a commendation received from within our office in Tata Consultancy Services when we completed the processing of dividend processing for Unit Scheme 64 of Unit Trust of India. This is given by the General Manager of Tata Consultancy Services, addressed to the Resident Manager, Mr. Prasad. I am glad to note that your center has completed the US 64 dividend warrant processing well in time, adhering to the schedule committed to UTI, Unit Trust of India. Please convey my appreciation to all the staff members associated with this work. I look forward to similar performance with regard to all other forthcoming issues of Unit Trust of India. I would also suggest to take up the processing of reinvestment cases and complete by 15 July 1994 as committed to Unit Trust of India. With regards, Y.P. Sahni. And this is given to all the people, and I am the recipient here. This is my signature. This commendation letter was given by Vijay Infosystems Limited. Tata Consultancy Services were our registrars of our public issue. They have done their assignment meeting all the SEBI requirements and rendered satisfactory services. Signed, M. Satyendra, Executive Director.